Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Now if this is your first time here, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated when we release a video. Now in today's video, we focus on a lot of the most current and trending and popular styles. So this is personally one of my favorite home decor styles. Welcome to Art Deco. So I always say that home decor is definitely a to each their own type thing. A lot of people find Art Deco style just very over the top in a horrible way, and opulent in a horrible way, and just gaudy and brazen. And honestly, I think that's what I love about it. I absolutely love this style. I love how it's elegant. It gives you that old world, back in the 20s and 30s, just luxurious type. You guys, I just love this style. Now, if you want to know specifically what Art Deco is, Art Deco works are symmetrical, they're geometric, they're streamlined, really simple, and above all, pleasing to the eye, especially mine. So this style is in contrast to the avant-garde art of the period, which challenged everyday viewers to find meaning and beauty in what were often unapologetically anti-traditional images and forms. Now, a lot of people consider this decor style Art Nouveau, and it isn't really Art Nouveau. Art Nouveau and Art Deco are two of the defining art movements of the 20th century. So I think that's where that confusion kind of comes in, and they influenced all elements of visual culture, from fine art to design to architecture and even a graphic arts in some instances. But where Art Nouveau really celebrates and emphasizes elegant curves and really long lines, Art Deco consists of sharp angles and geometrical shapes, which is why Art Deco reminds me of a mix between Art Nouveau and maybe like modern or contemporary, with those sharp lines and all those edges. Whatever you want to call it, I absolutely love it. So right now, I know I usually do this later, but as you're watching this video, take a look, see what room really speaks to you, and then let me know in the comment section. I am also really wanting to know, would you ever do your home in Art Deco? I know it's kind of out the box. It's a really, I guess, personal style. A lot of people don't, flow with it, but I think it is just absolutely gorgeous. But I want to know what you think, so comment down below and let me know. The Art Deco style usually has a lot visually going on in the room. You're going to have different textures. You may have some metallics in there. You're going to have a lot of visual things going on with the shapes of the furniture. You're going to have patterns everywhere. You're going to have color. And a lot of people assume that it's so busy, but like this room, for instance, you can just have a color palette of maybe 2 to 3 colors and just kind of work and balance off of that, and it makes it so much easier. Too much is never enough for me. I'm kind of one of those people, and I think that's why I am just drawn to Art Deco. It gives me, like I said, the luxury vibes. Some ways that people decorate can almost look like an old English manor, or I don't know. I just love it, you guys. If you can't tell, I love Art Deco. Also comment down below, what is you all's favorite home decor style? We have, just represented a ton in these videos, so let me know. I think for most people right now especially, it's probably a modern farmhouse, which I do love. It's absolutely gorgeous, but this Art Deco, ooh-wee. So a few tips if you want to achieve this Art Deco style in your home. focus on streamlined shapes. We talked about those straight edges, kind of those harsh corners and angles. That's really big. You can also go wild with animal prints. If you are a tiger print person, a cheetah person, this is the home decor style to use it. It'd be pretty difficult to fit that in rustic or modern farmhouse, but with Art Deco, oh, just go wild and go as big as you want. You can also add a few Art Deco accents to your room. So whether it's in the form of art or a vase, little knickknacks around the room, different sculptures, and of course the furniture, that all plays into it. You can also incorporate different geometric shapes. That's really big in this style. And you can have geometric shapes come in your artwork, in your furniture, maybe wall hangings, or even a chandelier. Speaking of chandeliers, go glam with your lighting. Glam is just part of Art Deco, and I think that's why I love it so much. I'm a girly girl, so there's just something about glam and diamonds and rhinestones and gold and shiny things that just really speak to me. You can also opt for sleek materials. So I have seen like floor lamps in a really sleek material, coffee tables, even walls in some cases, and it really makes for just a gorgeous, well thought out room. Of course, you can make a statement with a mirror. Mirrors are really big in Art Deco style. I'm not for sure why or how that came to be, but I've seen rooms where the whole entire room is just a mirror, or a distressed mirror, an antiqued mirror, and you don't have to do much with furniture and wall hangings if your whole room is a mirror. It really adds to the glam of the room. So really it's all about adding over-the-top glamour that you would see, in the Great Gatsby somewhere. That's what Art Deco style is. Alright guys, as always, I ask you once again to comment your favorite room down below. I'm so interested in seeing. If you want to know mine, is this beauty right here. We've talked about black, gold, and white or cream a lot on this channel. It's one of my favorite color combinations. This room is glam, luxurious. It gives everything it needs to give. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with all people that love home decor. We're trying to really have this channel grow. Also subscribe to it, speaking of growth, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any video ideas, drop them down below. Bye guys.